Welcome to your daily stock market summary from MarketSnap. Markets kicked off June with that familiar mix of excitement and caution we've been seeing all spring. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq both edged higher to fresh record territory, while the Dow slipped modestly as investors balanced fresh AI enthusiasm against rising geopolitical tensions. What stands out is how narrow the leadership remains. A handful of mega-cap names continue to carry the indices, echoing patterns we saw back in the late 1990s. NVIDIA and Microsoft stole the spotlight with a new AI-focused superchip aimed at Windows PCs, sending chip-related names higher and reminding everyone that the infrastructure build-out is far from over. Memory stocks extended their parabolic run, with names like Micron and SanDisk climbing sharply as investors bet the AI data center boom will keep demand red-hot through 2027. On the flip side, several industrial and energy names lagged as oil prices rebounded on Middle East headlines, reminding us that sector rotation can happen quickly, even in a bull market. The bigger picture for long-term investors is the growing debate over whether current AI spending will translate into broad productivity gains or simply stay concentrated in CapEx. Analysts are split, but history shows that transformative technologies often deliver their biggest payoffs years after the initial hype cycle. Factory activity expanded at the fastest pace since 2022, and construction spending ticked higher, giving the economy a solid foundation even as inflation pressures from energy linger. Earnings season continues this week, with several household names reporting. Keep an eye on how management teams frame AI-related costs versus actual revenue traction. Those details often matter more for multi-year positioning than the headline beat or miss. You can find exclusive earnings transcript summaries on MarketSnap. Former Fed Chair Powell also weighed in on the importance of central bank independence, a reminder that policy stability remains a key pillar for long-horizon portfolios. Among sectors, industrials and consumer cyclicals showed relative strength on the week, while healthcare lagged, classic signs that investors are still favoring growth-oriented areas tied to the AI build-out. The takeaway for patient investors is straightforward. Stay diversified, keep some dry powder for volatility spikes, and focus on companies that can compound earnings over the next 5 to 10 years, rather than chasing the latest momentum surge. That's a wrap for today's stock market summary from MarketSnap. Thanks for tuning in. Hit subscribe for daily updates. Check out our latest SWOT analyses, and we'll see you tomorrow for more market insights.